Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 21st April 2022 and the time is 10:18. Sorry, I went for a meeting, so that's why this video got a little delayed. As I already mentioned that 18, 19, 20 was a very important combination dates, and 20th was very important because of cause and effect day. And based on the cause and effect day, today you have seen the effect. Yesterday was the cause and today was the effect. So the effect was good on the upside, and our timing rocked, which we predicted today, the shorter time frame, which is 940 to 950. Our Excel sheet number achieved all the targets, and 907 number always it rocked. Let's go and see what all we discussed today and what all happened in the market, right? So now let's go to my Telegram channel. And when I started the day, I clearly mentioned that, just a minute. This was the video about Acer Motor. I said clearly that, watch out for Acer Motor. It is going to break out because yesterday it had a TCD. Yesterday, Tata Motors and, Acer Motor had a TCD. And I mentioned that, these counters will be bullish. And today, Acer Motor rocked. And this was the first video. And second, Andhra Petro, which was our recommendation, went up by 8% today. And Excel sheet number, which is 17,259, it went and achieved all the targets, 17,415, and that where the market closed. So, Excel sheet number rocked. And apart from that, today I gave Euro or Zero call in the morning itself. And I clearly explained why you should buy 17,300 call. And from 18 rupees, when I made the video to my followers, it was 19 rupees. From 19 rupees, it went to 103 rupees. So we are able to catch the complete momentum, and the Euro and the Zero become Euro today, KGF 2. This was the reply. And today, RBL Bank and Bharati had a TCD. RBL suddenly went up by 5%, but we didn't buy. We are not able to buy because we missed it, and we are concentrating on Bharati. But the problem in Bharati is, yesterday I mentioned that above 845 is bullish, and above 745 is bullish, and below 729 is bearish. Today the high was 744 and the low was 730. So it has not broken 745 and it has not broken below 729. Exactly the top made was 744 and our number was 745, and the bearish number was 729, and the today low was 730. So there was no entry in Bharati today, but Acer Motor rocked today, and Reliance about 2727. Fabulous day today. So now this was the first timing, 940 to 950. I'll show in the chart, and then XL2 done, 3 done, everything done. And this is what I said, why people wasting time in seeing option chain. Simple magic. On expiry day, first 30 minutes high and low will do the magic. You don't need to do anything. And if you see today, in Nifty spot, the first 30-minute high and low was held for a very long time. Then only the breakout started. And we are able to predict based on the option movement, option observation, not on option chain. Just observing what options the big guys are doing. Simply seeing that, I made the video, and then we are able to make the zero to hero. Simple, no need to watch option chain and then breaking the head. Simple observation on what they are doing in the first half an hour time, and seeing where the premiums are headed. With that, we are able to catch the top, right? And okay, so the timing rock, and the second timing was 25 to 210, and clearly mentioned make or break at 25 to 210. This also gave a major move after that. So everything good. Acer Motors through the roof, which was my morning call before the market opened. And this was someone commented me, please accept my sincere price for your works and levels. Amazing levels, too good. Never experienced anything like this anywhere. Thanks a lot. Somebody has appreciated my working. And that's all. Everything. This is what I mentioned. Bharati today I was 744 and the low was 730, and our buy was 745. not initiated, or our sell was 929, not initiated. Number game, simple number game. No need to watch option chain, putting so much of graph into it. Just a number game. It will work like magic. It will work like magic. And yesterday I clearly mentioned in my PPT that, till Bank Nifty holds 35,937. That was our weekly target for the week. This one, this was the yesterday's low, and from there today bang on. And that is what I mentioned. Till it holds that number, we don't need to worry about Bank Nifty. We don't need to worry about Bank Nifty. And today Bank Nifty rocked after 3 hours of consolidating in the first 1 hour candle, and suddenly there was a bust happened. And Nifty did all the targets from the beginning, and we are able to make good money out of it. And now Nifty closed above 18, 19, 20, all the 3 days high. So it is looking extremely bullish. Now we need to watch two numbers very, very closely, which is 17,424 and second number is 17,576. Watch out for this number. Let's see, how it works. See, this was a simple one-liner. No need to break the head. Weekly expiry, first 30 minutes high and low. You can apply this in weekly expiry and monthly expiry. No need to see option chain. This one-liner will do the magic. And yesterday clearly mentioned is Arami pattern, bullish pattern, and today it was extremely bullish. So all worked well, and yesterday it closed about this number 17,178, which was our magical 50% rule number, and today 17,400 is done easily. So this is what we discussed. And coming to our Gale stop loss was it, which we entered at 169. Our stop loss is 165. It got hit, here. It got hit here yesterday. So we are out of Gale as of now. And tomorrow, watch out, Reliance and Tata Motors. These two companies are having cyclical day tomorrow. So first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic in Reliance and TVS Motor for tomorrow. And apart from that, the big guy Bajaj Finance and Pidilite Industries are having their TCD day tomorrow. So watch out for that. And let's go for tomorrow. And yesterday, Bank Nifty held, the weekly as well as the monthly bearish number. That is what I mentioned here. It was holding this number for so long, and I made the video also saying that how it is able to hold the two numbers. And today it gives simple around 1,000 points from yesterday's low. That all that today boom after 17,138, which I mentioned. Excel sheet number, everything rocked. Nifty inside bar pattern rocked very well, and first 30 minutes expiry did wonders. Okay, and today I clearly mentioned yesterday the width of the candle was very small, so watch out, it is going to bust one side, and it busted on the higher side. And this one is simply rocked 35,937. Mark this one number in your system and see the magic. Not today. You go back and watch these two numbers, 35,937 and 35,721. How market respects these two numbers in the past. And I'm not going to change this number anywhere till Nifty is going to trade within this level for so long. So no need to change the number. Market will do wonders within these two numbers. Okay, so now anyway, now Nifty closed above all the 3 days high, 18, 19, and 20. Good. Bank Nifty closed above only 20th April high, and another these two highs has to be crossed for a dream run. Let's see whether it is going to cross 19th high, which is very, very crucial for tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Okay, and clearly mentioned the first 2 hour candle of yesterday was very crucial. Once it broke above that, it rocked today. Okay, and these two dates which you need to have to mention in your system and watch what is going to happen here on 11th May. And Reliance above 2727, it closed above 2770, and tomorrow it is having a cyclical day. Watch out, first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic. And today this shorter time frame literally rocked. I'll show you that in the chart. Okay, so for tomorrow, these are the TCD counters, Pidilite and Bajaj Finance. Apply how to trade. You all know how to trade that, trend change date, intraday. Watch it, and you can applicable in these two counters also, Reliance and Tata, TVS Motor also. So 4 companies are in radar for tomorrow. And Bharati, yes, if it goes below 729 and If it holds below that number for 15 minutes, I will definitely go short in this counter. And this was the TCD date for HR Motor and TVS Motor. Literally rocked, literally rocked. So let's see. And for tomorrow, numbers I have already given here. Tomorrow numbers. Oh, sorry, I left it. 1 second. Yeah. So these are the numbers for tomorrow. All I mentioned here. Now Nifty, these two become support. Intraday and positional number will become support. And one magic number it crossed to today. I was literally praying for the Nifty future to close above that number 17,419, but it went up, but unable to close above that number. So the close was 17,410. Always remember, if it crosses and closes above 17,419, which was our one number magic, another 300 points is a cakewalk. It's a cakewalk. But one number which we need to watch out for in Nifty spot is 17,576, which is our yearly pivot number. So I've given the resistance number for Nifty and support numbers here, and same Bank Nifty also I've given the intraday number, positional number. These two are futures. Please remember, these two are futures, and this is spot. And this is spot. Those who want to follow spot, follow only spot. Those who want to follow future, follow only future. Okay. So mostly I think I have covered everything. And tomorrow it is Pidilite and Bajaj Finance, and 23rd Pfizer and Godrej CP. Let's watch how these go to perform. Let's go to the chart and then we will finish the presentation for today. Okay, so now let's go to Nifty. So this was the first timing which I mentioned yesterday, 940 to 950, 940 to 950, candle. Exactly the low was here, and this candle is not able to close below the low of this candle. Simply rocked. And again, the last timing was 25 to 210. After this also, it rocked. It is actually, this should be a 5 minutes candle. I have shown in 10 minutes because it is this one. Beautiful. Small candle, small stop loss. For this candle, the stop loss is only 10 points. Because if you see the high of this candle, the high was 17,375 and the low was 17,366. So only 9 points stop loss. Only 9 points stop loss. It works like magic. It works like magic. So this was our timing for the day. And let's watch these two numbers will be hurdle for Bank Nifty. And this is one more very, very crucial number, which is 37080. Watch out. And the big Ichimoku cloud is on the top. Let's see what it is going to do tomorrow after the market opens. And even if you go to Nifty, the big Ichimoku candle is on the top. I'm talking about the cloud. Let's see how it is going to behave. And today, this was our monthly bearish number, 17,409. And that is where it touched today. And any close above 17,465, which is a monthly bullish number, it will become extremely bullish. But I'm worried about only one number, 17,576. If it close above, expecting roughly around 18,000 in the coming days. Let's watch how the market is going to plan out for tomorrow. So I think I've talked all the numbers and the stocks to watch out for tomorrow. Okay, again, I'm saying I'm not a CB registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework, consult your financial advisor before taking any time. Again and again, I'm saying don't break your head. Market is very simple to understand. Apply simple techniques, simple logic. You'll make money instead of breaking too much into it. Looking at all noises around the market. Ukraine war, inflation, these that. And believe me, I'm telling you now, 26th April, mark Nifty IT index high and low. If it breaks the 26th high and low, people, those who are in short, will be naked. In IT counters, I'm talking about, they'll be naked. And today, HDFC Bank has given a buy in 15 minutes in my system, and Infi also given a buy in my system. If you go and see, okay, this is Nifty in 5 minutes, in 1 minute. See how beautifully it worked today. There is nothing to panic here. There is no red candle, first of all. It started here, came down, exactly touched my blue color, went up, came here, exactly touched my blue color, went up, again touched blue color, went up, again touched blue color, went up, again it touched and closed here. There is no panic at all. Even if you go to Bank Nifty, see, this was a sudden sell came, many people would have exited here, but we only know this is a trap sell because the next candle is not closed below this candle. It was a simple, again we can load quantity here, so my system is able to predict where the weak players will get out of the system, and from there we can again enter. And after that, it went up, came down, touched my blue color, again came, touched my blue color, and see how the rally was. It was amazing. And according to me, it closed about 36,864 only, which was a crucial number. But based on the average, it was a little low. 36,816 was the closing, according to the average closing. So the simple magic. So now, if you go to HDFC Limited in 15 minutes. Okay, so HDFC Limited has given a buy in 15 minutes. Watch out for this counter. And HDFC Bank is not given a buy signal on 15 minutes. We need to watch out. And Infi has given a buy signal on 15 minutes. Yesterday, I clearly mentioned why you should concentrate on Infosys, because it is exactly at our weekly design low. Exactly at the weekly design low. Let's see what happens on 26th April. If 26th April high is crossed, then see what happens in Nifty IT. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon tomorrow. Good night. Bye. Hope the video was a little long. Sorry, I'll try to cut short tomorrow. Bye.